mga katanungan na dapat mong matuklasan. Nandito si Mommy Ray, makisaya at makipagkwentuhan. Kaya tara na, tara na, makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray. Makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray.
Hello, magandang gabi po and welcome to another Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And na-miss ko kayong lahat. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapagchikahan. And of course, today is a very, very special day for me kasi special yung guest ko. But bago tayo mag-start ng chikahan, I wanna say thank you. Thank you to our sponsor, Hesine Aesthetic, who's taking care of our skin dito pa sa Ignos Novos. And also, they have 2 branches in Show Boulevard in Mandaluyong and NS Amoranto in Quezon City with the phone number 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8138. And they're open daily at 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Plus, of course, don't forget, every MWF na po, and make it a habit every MWF or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We have 3 lives. Of course, ngayon, every Monday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday naman po, Up Top Down Low podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dion. And of course, every Friday na po, ang Coffee Chat with Daven. Every Friday na po yan, 7 p.m. po. Plus, you can all watch yung aming mga live sa aming Facebook page na Ignos Novos Artist Management, na which is meron din kami sa aming Instagram, Ignos Novos Artist Management, and our TikTok is ignosnovos.official. And also, please follow, like, and share our mother company, First Son Production, same Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production, and of course, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, na which lahat po ng live namin mapapanood nyo din po sa aming YouTube channel, and also some of our way back Wednesday at iba pa pong mga videos namin. Ngayon, hindi ko na patatagalin ang ating Chikahan with Mommy Ray. My special guest for tonight ay sobrang special po sa aking puso. Hindi siya malayo sa akin. And also, marami kaming pag-uusapan tungkol sa kanya at saka yung business na magandang pag-usapan tong business na to. Kasi parang alam ko, first lang yan dito sa Pilipinas, yung pag-uusapan namin yan. So please welcome my special guest for tonight is Janely Floresca Natividad.
Hi, magandang gabi din po, tita.
Hi.
Sa lahat ng viewers.
Yan, magandang gabi. Kamusta dyan? Kamusta?
Mabuti naman po, no? Kahit na medyo may migraine, syempre kailangan nandito pa rin tayo.
Yes, of course. So, Jan, usap tayo about you, ha? So, how was your childhood?
Childhood, siguro just like other millennials, no?
Oh.
Hindi rin ganun kadali.
Okay.
Yes, so may mga ups and downs.
Okay.
May happy moments, merong sad moments,
Yeah.
yes. Pero at least, dahil sa childhood ko, marami ako natutunan po.
Okay. Dahil sa childhood na, tiga saan ka ba talaga? Do you have any province or anything?
Province. So, I'm not sure po, no, tita. Pero kasi lumaki ako dito sa Manila. And then, nagbulakan din ako. Tapos balik na din dito. Sa Valenzuela na po ako ngayon. Pero kasi yung dad ko from ibang country,
Yeah.
Chinese po.
Mm-mm.
Then yung mom ko, sa side ng alam ko parang Bicol and Samar din.
Pero naranasan mo na magkaroon ng childhood sa province o dito ka talaga?
Wala po.
Manila talaga.
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Parang for me, parang hindi na siya talaga
Oo, no?
province kasi
Yes.
ang lapit niya lang.
Malapit sa Manila. Pero saan ka
Yes.
nag-aral from elementary high school?
Elementary and high school po sa Bulacan.
Sa Bulacan.
Yes.
So since Bulacan, so medyo province, even though malapit sa Manila, diba? Nakapaglaro sa labas? Are you allowed to play outside since
Actually po, before, to be honest po, no, tita, parang grade 5 and 6 lang ako nakapaglaro sa labas.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, yung bata ako, lagi kami sa house lang. Sa house, although kasi medyo malaki din po yung space namin, doon
Yeah.
nagbabike sa loob, doon
Yes.
naglalaro, ganyan. Hindi kami pinapalaro sa labas before.
Oh.
Pero kaya sobrang happy ko nung nasa Bulacan kami, kasi doon ko na-experience talaga maging bata. Yes,
okay.
doon ako nakapaglaro ng iba-ibang laro sa labas, pero limited kasi I had an injury po.
Okay.
So,
Anong injury? What happened? What happened?
sa Nico, kaya PWD po ako.
Okay.
Ayan, kita, oh.
Oo nga.
Nakakagulat, no?
Yes.
So, before insecurity ko siya,
No.
I had multiple surgeries, 4 surgeries po. Kasi, accident lang siya ng bata.
Oh my God.
When I was in grade 2 po.
Mm.
So, imagine, talagang mga bata lang
Yeah,
kami.
yeah, yeah.
Then, doon lang ako na-accident. Nahagip lang ako. Then, nag-twist na siya. I
Okay.
didn't know na dislocation na pala siya.
Okay.
Then, dahil before, takot ako, mapagalitan, ganyan. Hindi ko sinasabi.
So matagal bago mo sinabi sa
Yes.
parents mo na there's something wrong with your knee.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So, parang nagugulat na lang, bakit ganyan maglakad? Tapos, mamaya, hindi na naman okay. So, naging frequent yung dislocation na
Yeah.
ko. Kaya, hindi siya naging okay.
Okay.
Late na ako nagkaroon ng proper treatment, which, nung college na po.
Oh my God, ganun katagal.
Yes, ganun katagal ko in-endure din yung pain. Tapos,
Oh my God.
parang every quarter or every 2 months, nadidislocate siya. Tapos,
Yeah.
di ako makalakad ng maayos. Tapos, paulit-ulit na ganun.
So paano naaayos kasi nadidislocate na ginagalaw-galaw mo lang siya? Or don't tell me, pinapahilot mo or
Nakakatawa to, tita, no? Kasi
Yeah.
yung mother ko po, may dislocation din, no?
Mm.
Ang ginagawa po kasi sa kanila noon, binabalutan ng dahon-dahon.
Okay.
So, ganun din po ginawa sa akin. Binabalutan po ng dahon-dahon, tapos pinapa-warm
Compress.
yun.
Yeah.
Puro ganun po, hanggang sa parang mababawasan yung pamamaga, then makakalakad na ako ulit.
Oh my God. O sige. So buti, mas parang meron ng nabuong laman, diba? Ganon.
Opo, parang hindi na nga daw okay yung formation ng bone ko kasi maliit pa lang ako hanggang paglaki, walang PT.
Yeah,
walang proper treatment po
walang proper treatment.
So, yung parang formation ng bone ko, hindi na ganun kaswak. Kaya, nakailang surgeries din po ako.
Okay, di ba? Parang ang dahaba from grade 2 to college.
Yes.
Sobra. So parang hindi mo rin na-enjoy yung high school life na parang, do you join yung mga activities sa school?
Actually, tita, kasi very ako parang adventurous na.
Okay.
So, kahit may ganito ako, sumasali ako sa dancing,
Okay.
sa ibang mga laro-laro, then biglang magtutwist siya, ganun. Parang normal na sa akin.
So parang nilalagyan mo na lang siya ng banig.
Yes.
Yung parang
yung binabalot.
Binabalot mo na lang. Okay, ganon.
Yes.
O sige, magkukwentuhan pa tayo ng about sa buhay mo. Marami tayong mga nasa comment section and I wanna say hi to them. Ayan. Okay, Lyra. Thank you. Good evening. Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you so much,
Happy birthday po.
Thank you. Ayan na si Elsworth. Good evening. Thank you. And of course, our director, Direk Rodel. Magandang gabi, Direk. Caleb also. Good evening, Caleb. And ang bilis. Sino yung iba? Si Zyrene Aguilar. Good evening. And also Carmela is also there. Happy birthday po, Mommy. Thank you, Carmela. And then si Justin, happy birthday, Mommy Ray. Thank you. Dami nag-greet. Thank you so much. Ayan. Sino? Wala na. Okay. And then, if you have any question to my special and beautiful guest, drop off your question lang sa comment section at mamaya sasagutin natin yan, ha? if you have any questions. Okay, so na-enjoy mo naman ang high school and college?
Yes po. Yes.
Hanggang yan. So pagdating ng college, anong tinake up mo ng college?
May kwento din yan, no, tita.
Sige, ikwento mo.
Kasi hindi ko gusto yung tinik kong course.
Okay.
Parang may mga iba akong gusto pero ayaw ng dad ko.
Okay.
Gusto ko ng architecture before, fine arts, ganyan, pero ayaw ng dad ko. Kasi may migraine ako. So parang sabi niya, puyat ka, lagi sakit ulo niyan, hindi yan bagay sa'yo.
Okay.
So nauwi ako sa HRM, Hotel and Restaurant Management. Okay. Pero good thing, no, tita, kasi on my first year, sobrang na-enjoy ko na siya agad.
Okay.
Parang sabi ko, buti ito pala yung kinuha ko, no? Kasi na-enjoy ko. Kasi gusto ko yung hospitality industry. Yes.
Okay.
So, yung services, customer service,
Yeah, okay.
tapos yung pagluluto. Yun, I love cooking din po kasi.
Oh, yan. Pero before anything else, parang meron nag-greet sa akin, sobrang special. Ayan. Si Romar.
Ayan.
Kaya sabi niya, Auntie, happy birthday. Thank you. Romar po yung better half ng aking gift.
Yes. I
yan
love.
po ang aking, yan po. Kaya sabi ko, very special, kaya kailangan ko. So, na-enjoy mo na siya. So, natapos mo naman yung course ng HRM.
Yes, tita, kahit ang daming hardships, no? Kasi sabi ko nga po, yung surgeries ko, nag-start college time. So, imagine po, no, nag-aaral ako, then opera. Yung healing period, hindi madali.
Yeah.
Kasi pubuto yan.
Okay, so sabi mo nga, opera college, paano bumagsak dun or pumunta na doon sa punto na kailangan ng operahan? Ikaw na nagsabi na you have to have check-up na yung knee mo or
Yes
ano
po.
na?
Nung 4th year high school po ako, doon na pa-check up. And then, pag-graduate na po kasi ako noon. Then, ang sabi ng doctor upon assessment, hindi na to kaya ng PT. Yun, so, kailangan na ng surgery.
Yeah.
So, medyo matagal kasi parang takot ako. Like, sabi ko, ang kinis ng balat ko. Sabi ko, wala ka peglat. Tapos sabi ng doctor ko, okay lang, malipis lang yan, maliit lang yan.
Oo, okay naman eh, hindi halata.
Yan ang sabi niya. Tapos, hanggang sa nung ready na ako, first year college po. Yan, so ready na ako. Then, yun, mahirap po, tita, no, kasi, sobrang tutok ako sa studies ko. Kasi gusto ko maging proud yung parents ko,
Of course. All of us naman yun ang gusto natin.
Ako, so scholar po ako. Nung time din na yun, no, Dean's Lister. Kaya sabi ko, medyo nahihirapan akong i-balance kasi ang dami ko absences. Tapos, kailangan pa humabol dun sa ibang quizzes, ganyan. So, naging mahirap po talaga, pero thankful ako sa mga best friends ko doon ng college.
So, from what school ka?
Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela.
Oo nga, napunta ako. Ang laki ng school na yun at saka maganda.
Yes po, tita.
Maganda yung Fatima.
Yes po.
Oo. So, doon ka nag-cum laude o magna?
Cum laude, tita.
Cum laude. Okay.
So, despite na hardships ko sa kasi pumapasok ako ng school, kaya bilib na bilib yung dad ko sa akin. Pinagmamalaki niya ako sa mga friends niya na gaano daw ako sipag mag-aral. Kasi, pumapasok ako ng may saklay.
Crutches.
Yes, crutches. Tapos, may pumasok din ako ng naka-immobilizer.
Yeah, of course.
Tapos, may mga nag-assist sa akin.
Wow.
Kasi, ang hirap po maglakad nun, syempre.
Of course.
Yun.
Kasi pag ganun yung school nyo doon sa likod, may pataas
Tapos sa classroom, kasi di ba magkakatabi?
Yeah.
So, special ako. Doon ako sa pinakaharap kasi naka-straight yung pa ako. Yun. So, naman po, lahat yun nakayanan po na lagpasan. And
so, memorable ang college.
Po talaga.
So, after college, since na-achieve ko na yung gusto ko, I did my parents proud. Anong first work?
Actually po, kasi sabi ko, sobrang gusto ko ng kinuha kong course. No? So, I requested to my dad na mag-internship ako abroad. So, I had my internship sa US, sa Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, in USA. So, nag-work ako as a VIP host sa Baltimore po, country club.
Wow, okay.
So, ang ganda po na experiences ko din po talaga doon. So, natuto ako to stand on my own, maging independent. Kasi iba po talaga yung buhay doon.
Yeah, ibang culture.
Ikaw magbabudget lahat.
Yes,
parang
exactly.
lahat talaga. Pati yung na hindi ko po ginagawa before, ginagawa ko po doon. So, marami din po ako natutunan. So, after ko po doon, pumunta ako dito, bumalik ako ng Philippines kasi sabi ko, gusto ko talaga mag-work sa Soler. Sabi ko noon, bago ako umalis ng bansa, sabi ko mag-internship ako sa abroad, sa US, para mabilis ako matanggap sa Soler.
Yun lang talaga yung nasa isip mo na
Yun
hotel.
po,
Soler
yun
lang.
lang. Yes,
Okay.
yun
And
lang.
then, pagbalik,
So, pagbalik ko, nakapasok ako sa Soler.
wow.
Ang saya ko.
Okay.
Pero unfortunately, hindi po ako nagtagal kasi because of my health and my status po. Nagkaroon ako ng minor accident kasi nasa US ako. So, nalusan na naman siya, yung knee ko.
Yeah.
And then, dahil VIP host ako, so gano'n din ako sa Soler, lagi nakatayo.
Tapos you have to walk around,
Yes.
and check everything.
And then naka-heels pa.
Yeah.
Minimum 2 inches.
Yeah.
Yun. And then, ang masama pa doon, dami nag-yoyosi.
Yeah, okay.
Kasi, sa VIP.
Yeah, of course.
And may asthma ako, tita.
Ang daming hadlang.
Yes, ang daming hadlang. Sabi ko, bakit ganito? Gusto ko yung, yung industry na to. Pero parang, not for me.
Okay.
Because of my health.
Okay.
So, na-invite ako naman sa real estate sales.
Okay.
And then, doon po ako nag-boom.
Okay.
Real estate. Nagtuloy-tuloy ako doon.
So, hindi ka naman na-depress nung nawala ka dun sa Soler, even though that's your dream hotel or job. So, hindi ka na-devastate or what?
At first po, no, tita. Pero, kasi, nagpipray ako kay Lord and then may dumating na ganito opportunity. So, sabi ko, baka gusto ako ni Lord dito. I-try ko. Na parang hindi lang ako nakafocus sa isang industry.
Okay. So, nung nandun ka na sa real estate, dun ka nag-boom.
Yes po, tita.
So, hanggang ngayon, nandun ka sa real estate? O
Real estate pa din, tita. So,
okay.
hindi na siya mawawala sa akin.
Okay, sige. So, nandun ka. Ngayon, anuhin natin to. Kasi, dito sa you're a marketing director and co-owner of Pampers City by OMG.
Yes, right.
Okay, tama ba yung sabi ko?
OMG.
Yeah.
It's actually OMG.
OMG, ayan. So, paano ka napasok from real estate, tapos ngayon, naging marketing director ka at co-owner, kailan nag-start to?
Actually, tita, sabi ko nga, ang bait ni Lord, no? Kasi, never-ending opportunities for me.
Yeah.
This year lang po. Pero, it's always my dream to have this kind of business.
Okay.
Pamper City by OMG po kasi, it's an all-in-one pamper hub po.
Okay.
No? Everything is there.
Yeah.
So, before that, our founder, Mr. Jem Encarnacion.
Yeah,
yan,
okay.
sana po nanonood.
So, ayan,
Mr.
nakikita
Jem.
ko, ang ganda.
Ayan,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
Pamper City po, no?
Okay.
So, ang head po talaga ng lahat ng ideas na pong ito is si Mr. Jem Encarnacion.
Yeah, okay.
So, he's also the founder of OMG, our first branch in Cavite, Ayala Malls, Vermosa.
Okay.
So, ngayon po, nagkaroon tayo ng Pamper City kasi po, we want to expand naman po something unique.
Yeah, okay.
So, what we have here kay Pamper City, it's an all-in-one pamper hub
Yeah.
where non-surgical and surgical aesthetics are
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Dental din po, meron kami.
Meron,
Massage,
okay.
body spa, treatments, even sauna, yan
Yeah,
po.
oo
We
nga.
have hair lounge as well.
Okay.
We have Japanese head spa.
Mhm.
We have chiropractic, acupuncture, iridology,
Okay.
nail lounge,
Yeah.
brows, lashes. Ang dami.
So,
Everything
parang
is there
everything
po.
from head to toe.
Yes, you have it all.
So, parang, anong commercial yan? You have it all from head to toe. Kung ano yung kailangan natin, nandyan sa Pampers City.
Yes, right
Now,
po.
which is, parang napapansin ko, ang laki niya.
Yes, this is with a total of 800 square meter space. Ang laki po talaga,
Ang
tita.
laki.
Yes.
Okay.
Sabi nga po ng mga pupunta, first time nilang nakakita ng ganito kalaking wellness center po,
Yeah,
no?
it's a wellness center talaga.
Yes,
Na parang,
aesthetics and wellness center.
so parang if you want to pamper yourself the whole day,
Yes, right.
from head to toe, bahala na kayo mag-isip, nandun na lang kayo pumunta sa Pampers City.
Correct po. Kahit whole day,
Okay.
umaga hanggang gabi, okay lang. And then we also have Pamper Cafe din, tita, no? Para kung halimbawa meron kang loved ones na kasama, then hindi magpapa-treatment, aantayin ka lang, especially kung halimbawa mga jowa or asawa po, no? So, they can enjoy our coffees and teas, pastries.
So, maghihintay na lang doon. Parang, sige, pag-uusapan pa natin kasi I wanna dig in some more. But I have some comments na parang kakilala namin. Okay, Bebs is here. Hi, Bebs. And Janelle Badiola. Good evening, pretty mommy Ray. Happy birthday. Thank you. And of course, si Bebs nandyan. And Miss Cat. Miss Cat is there. Happy birthday, Mommy Ray. Thank you, Miss Cat. And si Fiona. Mommy Ray, happiest birthday. So pretty. And your guest. Okay, thank you, Fiona. I miss you. Sino pa? Of course. Ayan, ang aking pamangkin is also here. Happy birthday daw. Tita Ray, thank you from Australia. Tama ba ako?
Yes po.
Ayan, nandyan ang aking pamangkin si John from Australia. Thank you for watching. So, bali sa Alabang branch or sa Cavite, gaano katagal na yon?
Si Cavite po, 2023 po siya nag-start. And then, officially launch po, no, grand launch no first quarter po ng 2024.
So yung Cavite ba, kasing laki nitong, saan ba ito ngayong Pamper City na ito?
Pamper City is located in Asiana City, if you're familiar po, sa Parkal Mall. Sobrang lapit lang po namin doon, walking distance lang. So we are located at K1 Center Prestige. That's the exact building po we're at. So, we're very close din po sa East Ocean Palace, sa DFA. Yan po, pinaka.
Ano yan?
Hair lounge po ito. And then, we have hair lounge and that one, hair lounge. And then, the other one kanina, that one po is aesthetics din po. For single po, no, yung mga gusto magpa-Brazilian, syempre, kailangan nilang privacy. So, own room nila yan.
And then this one?
So, sauna. Yes, we have the sauna as well.
Ang sauna niya is wet and dry o only dry lang?
Dry sauna.
Dry lang siya. And then this one, parang feeling ko dental.
This one is for our surgical room. So, we have cosmetic surgery po. So, yung mga gusto magpa-rhino, chin, breast augmentation, everything. Kung anong gusto niyo ipagawa.
Okay, sinabi mo ang dami So, like, if I will be one of your client for the day, kailangan ko ba, pwede ako mag-walk-in or have to call and then I will tell you kung ano yung gusto ko lahat gawin para all the service will be available for me today?
Okay, actually po, we highly encourage na you have to book earlier po, no? Since, lalo na kung may doctors, kung may doctors po tayo na involved, you have to book early. Kasi po, we have to ask them if they're available. Kasi hindi po yan everyday. Lahat ng doctors natin is present. So, mas okay po talaga mag-book po tayo through our Facebook or number. So, better po yun para so we could accommodate you properly from head to toe.
Okay. So, paano like if I wanted like for the whole day nandun ako pero more of maraming doctors na kailangan. So, pero kasi naman minsan like for the dental, I saw there's a dental.
Yes po.
So, if there's a dental, meron din orthodontic dental.
Yes po.
So, kompleto talaga.
Kompleto po tayo. Yes.
So, the only thing na dapat namin gawin is to call and then set for an appointment.
Yes, correct po, tita.
So, it's nice. So, sabi mo nga, 2024 yung dun sa Cavite. And then,
officially
launch. And then, this one, yung dito sa sinasabi mo sa may Asiana, will be, when is the launching?
Our grand launching actually is on October 25, 2025. Very, near na.
Near na?
Yes po. So, I am inviting po, no, our guest clients to visit us soon, October 25, 2025. And we will be having promos po as our grand launch promo. So, for our promo, we have the mix and match, 999 pesos only. So, sobrang pamigay na talaga tong promo na to since for our grand launch. So, mix and match siya, 2 services na siya for only 999 pesos. Good for 90 minutes na po yun. This is valid for October 25 up to November 8 po.
Wow, so almost a week.
2 weeks po.
Parang 2 weeks.
Yes.
So,
And then we also have October promos ongoing po yan.
okay.
Huge discounts din po for you.
So, paano, sa dami namin ng ginagawa mo, paano mo nababalance your time? And I know you're a mother of a very, very cute na apo ko.
Hi, baby!
Yes. So, how you balance
That's
everything?
Raven.
Right.
Siguro, tita, with the help of my family din, especially my husband,
Yeah.
si Romar po, ayan, very supportive. Hi, baby ko! Hi, love!
Okay.
Hello! Yan, sana nanonood ka. Ayan, miss na kita.
So, how you balance it? Like the whole day ba? You're
naman
okay.
po. So, I visit Pamper City, not every day po.
Okay.
Pero, almost na rin po. No? Kasi, lalo na ngayon busy po,
Yeah.
this October, especially mag-grand launch po tayo.
Okay.
And, kapag may mga meetings, nagpa-book din sa akin ng meetings or may special visitors and shareholders, we're actually looking for more co-owners.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're open to that. Mga nagpapa-meeting din sa akin, nagpapa-discuss about Pamper City. So, I have to come po.
Yeah. Sobrang laki, nakikita namin,
Yes, opo. Hopefully, maka-visit po kayo soon.
Yeah.
Yan.
So, from do you think yung nakuha mo nung college na pag-aralan mo, nag-a-apply ba ngayon?
In a way po, no, tita. Kasi sabi ko nga, iba na kasi iba po tayo dati, no? Yung kung paano tayo nag-study, iba rin yung ngayon, na puro maraming AI na rin, no? So, yung tiyaga po talaga.
Oh.
Yes, kasi tita, sabi ko nga, di ba, sobrang sipag ko nung college. Parang, lahat yun from the scratch, hindi uso dati yung yung parang lahat nasa internet mo na makukuha. Hindi siya uso ganun. So, hello.
So, ayan. Meron mga questions and comments. So, ayan, si Ron.
Hello,
Anthony. Hi,
Ron.
Sir Ron. Happy
Marketing
birthday, Miss
assistant.
Ray. And hello.
Marketing manager.
Yan, ayan. Tapos, of course, William. Happy birthday po, Mami. Thank you, William. And, ayan, sabi ni Bebs, what was the inspiration behind the building of ng Pamper City? Ano daw ang inspiration?
We want po kasi Filipinos and other mga dayuhan natin, mga foreigners po, na magbe-visit sa atin sa Philippines na to experience something unique.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we want them to feel pampered from head to toe.
Okay.
Kaya, parang sabi namin, why not create yung mga services na andyan na lahat?
Parang one-stop shop.
Yes, na parang kahit from morning hanggang gabi, nandyan na kayo.
Yeah.
Lahat ng kakailanganin nyo nandito na. Kahit pati sa food, di na kayo magugutom kasi we have Pamper Cafe din naman, di ba?
Oo nga.
Parang gusto po namin na we have something dito sa Philippines na pagpasok mo ng umaga, uuwi ka ng gabi na feel relaxed talaga and beautiful.
Okay. Kasi sabi mo nga, you have, may mga promos kayo. And then, since Pamper City is a big, like, one-stop shop, do you have membership?
Actually, yes po, tita.
Okay.
We have VIP memberships. We will launch it this November po. To be announced po ang date.
Okay, to be announced. Kasi
Yes.
curious lang ako kasi it's a one-stop shop. So, probably, if you're gonna be a member, mas maganda.
Yes po, kasi we are offering unlimited pampering services for members.
For members. So, yung affordable ba naman? Yung...
Good question na, tita. Kung kukomputin natin, more affordable pa rin po kami despite of our luxury vibes, no?
Okay.
So, for Pamper City na ilo-launch natin yung VIP memberships this November, we will offer huge discounts po. And surprise po yon.
Okay.
So, abangan nyo po yung ipopost po natin na about VIP membership cards to be launched this November 2025. So, we will be offering huge discounts for you.
Yes. So, while doing the Pamper City, dito tayo sa bago. Paano yung naging preparation? Kasi ang dami nito eh. Hindi to ganun kabilis, diba?
Yes po, tita.
So, paano ang naging preparation nyo lahat and everything, especially this coming opening?
Okay. Actually po, with the help of Agila, Eagles po. So kami po kasi mga incorporators, puro Eagles din po, ng mga
Oh,
ate kuya.
yeah.
Yan, so we have a wide network din po, kaya tulong-tulong talaga, no, para makapag-open tayo agad. We
Okay.
had delays na
Mm.
hindi naman po talaga maiwasan. So, dapat po kasi around July yung ating grand launching.
Mm-mm.
Pero na-move.
Yeah.
And then, natapat na tayo sa ghost month
Yeah.
na hindi
Hindi
talaga
pwede.
pwede.
Yeah, hindi
Yes,
pwede.
hindi talaga
That's
pwede.
that's
Opo.
August to September eh.
Yes,
So
August
tinapos
and September,
muna ang
hindi
ghost
talaga. So,
month. Okay.
October na talaga siya.
Mm-mm.
And then, napunta tayo sa last week ng October since may mga feng shui
Yeah, of
tayo.
course.
And then, yung
Of course.
availability din po ng board of directors. Kaya, ayan, ngayon lang tayo nakapag-launch. Pero, it was never easy talaga to start a business like this po, na ganito kalaki. Pero, pag tulong-tulong naman, and then, open naman, no? So, ito po, ito na, ga-grand launch na po tayo.
Okay. Pero, hindi ba ganun kahirap nag-sustain ng isang business like this big? Ito bang laking to kasi same ng laki dun sa Cavite branch, no?
Po. Sa Cavite
Okay.
po kasi, maliit lang po siya, no? So, ang ino-offer natin sa OMG is more on nails, massage, non-surgical aesthetics. Yan, meron din pong cafe dun sa loob.
Okay.
So, mas maliit po siya kasi sa mall lang siya. Sa loob
Okay.
lang siya ng mall. Tapos ito ngayon, sobrang big. Pero kasi, dito po, maraming tumutulong. Kaya, mas kaya. Kay OMG kasi dun sa first branch, ang majority talaga ng kumilos at gumawa talaga doon. Yung founder po natin, si
okay.
Mr. Jem Encarnacion.
Okay. Para may question ng aming director. Is Pampers City an original concept or brought from other country?
It's an original concept po, Direk.
Talaga?
Yes po. And we're very lucky to find a place po, no, na match doon sa ideas po namin. Kasi po, ang hirap maghanap ng ganito kalaking space. And,
sobrang laki,
po,
no?
na ganito ka-luxurious yung vibes. Kasi hindi po tayo pwedeng magpili lang ng basta-basta ng place na hindi akma doon sa ganito karaming services na gusto natin. Yung branding natin po kasi is somehow luxury po, no? So, perfect po talaga yung nakuha namin sa Asiana. Hindi na kami sobrang nahirapan to construct kasi po, meron na pong before na nandun na establishment. So, konting na lang po, renovations.
Okay. So, yung nakita namin mga stairway na second floor, it's already there.
Yes.
So, para kayo, ni-renovate nyo na lang talaga.
And kung ano pa yung mga gusto nating i-add-ons. Yes.
So, all the rooms are already there before?
Yes po. Pero may ibang part po kasi kami ng rooms na binago po talaga namin.
Okay.
Opo. Pero, kung major construction po talaga, matatagalan tayo, tita.
Yeah, matatagalan.
Kaya
pero
kung anong nandito po, doon na kaming, doon na namin inayos kung anong pwedeng. Para,
ayusin,
yes.
No? Para maging maayos. Okay. Ayan, meron tayo. Sabi ni Romar, hello,
Love Baby RC.
Baby RC is watching you. Ayan. Yes.
Mommy's here. See you later.
Yes. Para nakita mo ang aming The Ven is there. And also, ayan.
Ay, si Maki. Hi, Maki.
Maki is there, Pampers City.
He's our, vlogger. He won the grand prize of
I saw
Pampers
that.
City.
I saw that. Parang meron kayo nang ginawa.
Yes.
Tapos, Carissa Grace is
Hi, Carissa.
Janelli, sabi niya. And then, of course, sabi niya, hello, Daven, habol lang, Happy Mother's Day. And then sabi niya, hello, madam, magandang gabi po. Daven is our host in Coffee Chat. Every Fridays na po si Daven. Ayan. Tapos sabi ni Radsky Lopez, happy
He's
birthday.
our COO.
Of course.
Hi, Kuya Rad.
Hello, magandang gabi po.
For watching.
Thank you so much for the greetings. And, ayan, tapos, how do you compare your services to other hotel wellness centers? Ayan, ang ganda ng question ni Direk.
Oo nga po, no? So, sabi ko nga po, our aesthetics and wellness center is very unique, no? Because it's an all-in-one pamper hub. So, why we're different po with the hotels, wellness po, no? So, Hotels kasi, aside from its pricing, medyo mas expensive, no? But for us po kasi, we are offering sa ngayon ng more affordable one despite of our luxury vibes.
Yes.
So imagine, parang nasa hotel na rin kayo at
Mm.
this price lang.
Yes.
So, yun pa lang, it's huge difference na po,
Mm.
no? And aside from that, you'll get to enjoy din po yung other services pa na hindi kayang i-offer din nung iba.
Oo nga, no? Tapos, sabi mo nga, yung services ng Pamper City is really different from other wellness and then hotel, yung sabi nga ni Direk. Pero, gaano ka-challenge sa inyo to? How challenging is this?
Actually, ngayon po kasi, syempre, very new po. Very
Mm-mm.
challenging talaga, tita. Especially sa aming part na marketing, no?
Yeah.
Kaya, sa ngayon po, we're doing everything we
Yeah.
could to introduce Pamper City to everyone. Kasi we want them to see what Pamper City is. Especially actual po, no? Not just in pictures,
Yeah.
but in actual. Kasi mapapawaw talaga
Yeah.
sila.
I saw dun sa Facebook nyo na parang nagkaroon kayo ng vlogger day. Tapos since meron dyan isang vlogger, sino nag-conceptualize yun na kailangan ganito? Tapos paano nyo nagawa na may mananalo and everything? How is it?
Actually, whole marketing team po.
Okay, and
Yes.
then?
And to our marketing manager, hi Ron, are you
Yeah.
watching?
Yes,
Ayan.
right.
So, sobrang hands-on niya.
Okay.
So, sabi ko nga, hindi ko kaya to ng ako lang. So
Okay.
I'm very thankful to him.
Okay. So, paano nyo napili yung dapat manalo?
Ayan. Kasi po, tita, they have to do an entry na ipopost nila sa socials nila. So, from there, pipili kami na pinaka-okay talaga, no, lahat. So, kay Maki kasi, siya yung pinaka-naiiba. So, gumawa pa siya ng something na kakaiba as introduction. Parang may kwento siya. Hindi lang basta nag-vlog kay Pamper City. Ganon. Kaya yun yung nagustuhan namin na siya lang na iba dun sa ibang mga vloggers na nag-send ng entries
I-check natin yung kay Maki.
Yes.
Ha?
Check
Kung paano nagkaiba yung kay Maki. And then, ilang winners siya lang mag-isa? O there's
Actually, we had many winners po, no? Kaya very generous talaga si Pamper City. So, around total of 8 to 9 winners.
Okay. So,
Ang
in a
dami.
different categories o the same categories yan?
Ang grand winner po kasi will get cash na nakuha na po ni Maki.
Okay.
Cash and a package, kung ano gusto niyang package kay Pamper City.
Okay.
So, we created different kinds of packages like glow package, parang aesthetics yun,
Yeah,
non-surgical
of course.
aesthetics package yun. Meron din wellness package, yung mga massage.
Yeah.
Meron din package for iridology, acupuncture, yan.
Yeah.
May dental package din. So, pumili siya kung anong gusto niyang package. And then, yung iba po, in-spread namin, depends din sa mga na-request nila. Kasi we put them po upon, yung umpisa pa lang, during our event. So, hiningan na namin sila, ano kayong request nyo? Kung halimbawa mananalo kayo, yan. Para alam namin kung anong babagay sa kanila.
So, nung napili nyo na yung winner, parang sinabi nyo, ay, eto yung gusto ng winner. So,
Yes, eto yung ibibigay
nyo. Oh, so, sobra naman palang Pamper City mag-pamper.
Yes po.
Diba? So now, and then also, you have so many events. And nakita ko, and then congratulations.
Thank you
You're
po.
part of the pageant ng
Miss Asia Pacific International po,
Okay.
2025. So, we are one of the sponsors po
Okay.
ng MAPI 2025. And ngayon po, nasa Pamper City sila ngayon. Our winners, our queens. Yan.
Okay. Eto, may sinagsabi si Direk. Meron suggest. Ayan, sabi ni Direk, if I'm in a hurry but want to relax, what service of Pamper City would you suggest to me?
I like that, Derek.
Oo, yan.
Kasi, may mga clients po tayo na ganyan, no? Gusto nila ma-relax lang sila, pero may time talaga.
limit. Oo.
So, we can't offer the whole body massage, no? Yung kasi 1 hour to 90 minutes yan. So, medyo matagal. So, we have this express massage. So, pwede kayo mamili kung head and back, hands and foot, yan. Tapos facial massage, pwede din. So, you get pampered na rin for 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
So, may ganyan po tayong services.
So parang Pamper City, nag-i-spoiled kayo ng clients
True
nyo.
po,
So what,
tita.
kung ano yung suggestion namin or ano yung gusto namin service, you will give it to us.
Yes po. So, you have
Okay.
plenty of options.
Ay, okay. Ayan, meron pa ako nakita isang question. Ayan. Do you have any plans to expand your business, perhaps by opening another branch in a different city or offering additional services?
Okay, I like it.
Mm.
Actually po, tita, sabi ko nga, basta maging successful si Pamper City dito sa Asiana, we plan to expand in Davao and Cebu. So soon.
Oh, so
Yes.
lalabas tayo ng Luzon.
Luzon. Lalabas na po tayo ng Luzon.
Okay, lalabas na tayo ng Luzon. And also, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Sabi niya, nahirapan daw siya pumasok para lang makabati. Maraming salamat, Doc
Ay,
Ivan.
wow.
And thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. So yun nga, ano pa yung ibang services? Ano pa ba? Yung opening another branches, ano pa yung additional services? Para ang dami nyo ng services, may additional pa ba?
Ang dami po nating services, no?
Mm-mm.
Pero sa ngayon po, what we naka-plan na rin,
Mm-mm.
naka-lodge po sa atin is yung aesthetic gynecology.
Yung nagtatanong ko, okay.
Yes. And then yung mga hair transplant, yan. So, soon po yan, no?
Oo, kasi yung anesthetic gynecology, parang usong-uso yan ngayon for female eh.
Yes.
For female. I don't know why, but sobrang uso yan ngayon eh, di ba? So, hindi lang naman yun ang services nyo for OB. Marami pa.
Yes po. Pero for now po kasi, nasa waiting list pa po siya.
Okay.
Apa. So, soon po yan, yung about sa OB part.
Okay. Sabi nyo marami kayong service. Can I ask, is all your, how can I tell, staff are professional that parang we can trust our
Yes
body?
po, of course. They're
Okay.
well-trained po.
Well-trained
po
and
talaga.
licensed
Yes
naman.
po. Yung
Okay.
mga TLs po natin, yung mga team leaders po.
Okay.
And our doctors po actually, no? So, well, yung expertise nila, more than a decade, 2 decades. So, and then they had their trainings po abroad, especially our dentist, no? US trained po siya. So, lahat po kaya niyang gawin. So, more than 2 decades na po ang practice niya sa dentistry. So, nagkaroon din siya ng medical facility po they handled medical facility in US po, sa New York and California. And then they have their clinic din po dito sa Cavite.
Okay. So if for the dentist naman, like for me, I am one of your client, gusto ko lang muna magpa-consult, okay lang yun sa dentist nyo?
Yes po.
And
Yes po.
then from there, doon na lang mag-expand in everything.
Yes po, kung anong kailangan natin.
So ang dami-dami ng yung makikita sa Pampers City. We will keep you posted. How you gonna visit them, where you gonna visit them, at paano kayo mag-i-inquire. But for now, babalik ulit tayo ng ating chikahan tungkol kay Janelle. So, dinami-dami na nangyari sa'yo ngayon. Like, sabi mo nga, yung pinasok mo ng college, hindi yun ang gusto mong kurso. But, na-in love mo na din.
Yes po.
And then, yung dream job mo or dream hotel mo, napasok mo din.
Yes
And then,
po.
lumipat ng landas. And then, naging successful. And now, sa lahat na yun, nasaan ka na ngayon? Where are you now?
I'm not that done, tita. Hindi pa rin ako contented.
So, what are the future plan pa natin?
Kasi gusto ko best for my family. Especially ngayon na meron na akong baby.
Yeah.
So, I want him to have everything po.
Okay.
Well provided na po talaga. Kahit na nag-work din yung husband ko, gusto ko perfect.
Okay.
Medyo may pagka-perfectionist din kasi ako, tita.
Okay.
Yan. Ayoko nang mahirapan yung baby ko in the future. So, gusto ko ng mga malalaking pamana.
Oo, ganun naman ang parents, di ba?
Yes.
And then, sa dinami-dami din na ng pagdaanan mo, anong naging mantra mo in life?
Sabi ko nga, tita, adventurous ako, no? And
Yeah,
risk-taker. So, for me kasi, you will never know the outcome unless you try it.
Tama
Yun.
naman.
Ganun ako. Parang kahit nasabi nila, sure ka ba dyan? Walang kasiguraduhan.
Yes.
Hindi naman tayo sure sa lahat. Pero we have to try para alam natin if para sa atin or hindi.
Ayan. Before, may tanong ulit ang aming director. Why did you choose Asiana City as the location of Pamper City? Not BGC, not Makati. Oo nga naman.
Okay. Sige po. Actually po, maganda din po talaga, no, BGC and Makati. Pero, ang maganda din po kasi kay Asiana City, this is an entertainment city. So, maraming foreigners din po. And we're very close to airport.
Yeah.
Since we plan to have this program, we plan to have the dental and aesthetic program. So, ano ba to? So, si aesthetic and dental program we have, it's a tour package po for our OFWs or mga clients abroad. So, dito po sila magpapagawa kay Pamper City, aesthetics or dental, and they have a tour package pa kung saan nila gustong pumunta. So, Asiana is perfect location kasi ang lapit po sa airport, malapit din po sa mga hotels, tas casino. Yan.
And then mall, diba?
Mall, yes. Walking distance nga lang kami kay Parkal.
Within everything is there.
Yes.
Okay. So, sabi nga, yung location nyo, at saka, sabi mo, ang dami-daming service ng Pamper City. If I'm gonna ask you, anong service ng Pamper City ang gusto mo? At bakit?
For me po kasi, no, sa wellness pa rin po ako. Although sinasabi nila, bagay talaga ako sa aesthetics. Yan, kasi medyo maarte kika, no? Pero gusto ko pa rin po yung massage.
Okay.
Yes, kasi at the end of the day, ang dami mong pagod, no? Ang dami mong stress.
Yes.
So, parang you deserve something na ma-relax ka, which is massage.
Ayan, sabi nga nila, dapat hindi ka sa massage. But I'm gonna ask you, if you're a kind of makeup, ano yung makeup na hindi pwede mawala sa'yo?
Ayan po. Actually, lagi itong nasa bag ko.
Yeah.
Very handy.
Yeah.
Lip balm na tinted.
Oh.
Lip balm na tinted po. Kasi, kapag putla ka, para kang stress, pagod. So, pag lagay ka lang ng And then, lip balm kasi may natural moisturizer na siya. Kaya perfect siya.
Perfect. O, sige. Parang meron pang mga nag-greet and everything. Ayan, cheers! Hi, Ma'am Janelle.
Our receptionist.
Okay.
Very supportive. Thank you, Pamper City.
Yes.
Hello.
And then, Loy, happy birthday. Ray, wishing all the best. At sabi rin niya, I agree. Ang daming mayaman sa Asiana City Prime location.
Yes,
Oo,
correct.
But even though maraming mayaman, sabi nga niya, hindi ganun kamahal ang Pamper City. Na it's very affordable that everybody can visit.
Yes.
Yun. At dahil dyan, I'm gonna give you the chance to invite them. And saan ba kayo pwede mag-inquire sila? And yung Facebook nyo, kung meron man, invite them, Janelle.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So, I'm inviting you to visit Pamper City by OMG. It's located in K1 Center Prestige, ground floor lang, Unit 107. We're very close to Parkal Mall, DFA Asiana. So, you could visit us in our Facebook accounts, Instagram, TikTok. So, you could book directly po. Mas okay to book directly sa contact numbers namin and sa Facebook po.
So, ayan, pinapakita nyo. Yan yung Facebook page nyo that you can like and follow and also message them directly para if you have any inquiries. And also, you can tell them again your promos.
Our promo yan po, no? Abangan nyo to. Sobrang gandang promo natin. So, we have this mix and match promo for only 999 pesos. You'll get 2 services na for 90 minutes. Yan, grabe, diba? Sobrang mura pamigay na to. Because we want you to experience Pamper City. Yan. And then, we also have different kinds of packages. So, for events, we have din po bridal package, girls night out package. Yan. Sobrang mura po, diba? Imagine, pwede na kayo mag-bridal showers with us for only 9,999. you'll get a lot of freebies pa. Pati girls night out, birthday package, ang dami po.
So, ilan ang pwede dun sa 90,900 na dun sa bridal package?
So, 6 in total po, including na po si bride.
So, lahat ng package nyo is like 6 and above
Iba-iba
na?
po siya.
Iba-iba.
Yes po.
Okay, like doon sa birthday,
Opo.
and then sa bridal.
Yes po.
Okay. They just have to inquire para malaman yung lahat.
Yes.
Ayan.
So, for ano
Mm.
din po pala, no, para may add ko
Mm-mm.
lang. So, what you could enjoy po sa mga packages natin for events, you can enjoy yung KTV natin.
May KTV din
Bagong-bago
kayo?
po ito. Yes, we can set up a KTV for you. Yon. So, kung birthday nyo din po, no, for only, with the minimum receipt, no, you can enjoy the KTV na rin po. Basta nag-avail kayo ng nails package natin.
Okay. Diba, ang dami na. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aming chikahan ni Janelli. Tapos, please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe us also in our YouTube, in our social media, Ignos Novos Artist Management in Facebook and Instagram, and also we have in TikTok at Ignos Novos Art at ignosnovos.official, and our mother channel is First Son Production sa Facebook and Instagram, and our YouTube channel is First Son Creatives. And also, please don't forget, every MWF na po kami, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Be a Habit, 7 o'clock. Every Monday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And of course, every Wednesday, our podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dion, Up Top Down Low podcast naman po yun. And of course, every Friday na po ang aming Chikahan or Coffee Chat with Davin at 7 p.m. And also, our sponsor, Hezenea Aesthetic, they have 2 branches in Shaw Boulevard in Mandaluyong and also in Ennis Amoranto in Quezon City with the phone number of 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8183, and they're open daily from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Ayan po. At thank you,
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. At maraming salamat sa aking Ignos Novos Artist Management and also my First Son Creative Management and Production. Maraming salamat, Direk Rodel. Thank you so much. Mag-wish muna. Thank you so much. And eto po ang inyong Mommy Ray. Lagi pong nagsasabi sa inyo, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye mga anak. See you all on Monday. And be safe.
Dapat mong matuklasan, nandito si Mami Ray, makisaya at makipagkwentuhan. Kaya tara na, tara na, makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray. Makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray.